Are you looking for the top 5 renovations to do to your home to increase its resale value? Stay tuned. Hey guys, Alex here. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. Today I'm bringing you the top 5 renovations that you can do to your home to increase its value. Now this video can be for someone that's looking to possibly sell their home, or maybe someone that's going to live in their home for a while and they just want to protect their equity and make smart renovations to their home to keep their home updated as the years go on. Now the top priority renovation that I always recommend to people is number 1, your kitchen. Your kitchen is the central hub for everyone to gather, for entertainment. It's where everybody comes and normally congregates around at the end of the day. This is why your kitchen tops the list on top renovations to increase your resale value. And studies show that 75 to 100% of the renovation value will be recaptured once you sell the home. Now, renovating your kitchen can be one of the more pricier renovations. So if you don't have all the cash laying around, I recommend maybe you just do your countertops or maybe you refinish your cabinets. And a good tip for all you out there that are renovating your kitchen to then sell it, renovate it for what that age group you think is going to buy your home is looking for. So don't renovate it in a contemporary style that maybe you like, but maybe you're getting a younger group in that's looking for more of a modern finishes. Number 2 on the renovation list is your bathroom. Now your bathroom, just like your kitchen, 75% to 100% of the renovation costs you can recapture when you sell your home if you do it correctly. So it's important that if you don't have experience with renovations, definitely hire a professional that can give you quotes and that can, bring in the correct materials so you do the renovation correctly. Now, just like your kitchen, this can be a very expensive renovation. Some bathrooms can be $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 depending on the materials that you bring in. So what I recommend to people, if you don't have all the cash laying around, just like the kitchen, see what the priority renovations are. Maybe you can just update your countertop. Maybe you can update the tile and it will make a huge drastic change from what you currently have in your bathroom. If you can't think of any ideas, go to some new construction homes around where you live and see what developers are putting in their homes and what is working for them and take ideas from that. That's a great idea and it'll help you save money, and not only save money, but target your materials towards the buyers that are probably going to be buying your house. Now, number 3 is new paint. This is a no-brainer. It's very inexpensive. You can even do it on yourself on the weekend. Go to the store, get a couple cans of paint and put a whole new fresh paint on the inside of your house and maybe even the exterior if needed. Now, keep in mind, if you don't have experience with painting, it can actually hurt your resale value if you don't do it correctly. So definitely get in a professional painter that will do it correctly, and it's still very inexpensive. Now, when it comes to paint color, do all neutral colors like an eggshell white. This will just make it a lot easier to show the property, and it's not going to be any crazy colors that stand out and it's an eyesore when buyers are walking through your property. Now, number 4 is a basement apartment. Now, you might have stuff just laying around in your basement and you can actually convert it into a mother-in-law suite or an ADU, an additional dwelling unit, where you could get rental income from. Now, this is a great resale opportunity to market this, that you have an ADU that potential buyers could get rental income, and it only will help their mortgage payment and just help them, first-time home buyers get in the house and kind of break in that first couple months of paying that payment off. Now, maybe you have an area in your house that you could convert into an ADU or a mother-in-law suite. Before you proceed, I warn you, you need to check with your municipality if your ceiling height in that basement is high enough for an ADU, because if it is not, you're going to need to dig deeper down into your basement, and this is very costly. So that's number 1. Number 2, you're going to need to make sure that you have a separate entrance into that ADU or mother-in-law suite. And if you don't, adding another door can be very costly as well. And then number 3, you need to check with your municipality that you're located in if you can actually rent out of your basement, because some of them do not allow this, some of them do. So those are the 3 things you need to check before you actually proceed with going with a mother-in-law suite or ADU. But if you do, it can benefit you tremendously when you resell your home. Now, the very last one, number 5 that I have for you guys, is that if you have a huge room, possibly you could add an extra bedroom by just putting a wall up it, which is normally pretty easy because you're not going to be removing any walls, so you don't have to worry about any load-bearing walls. Normally adding a wall should be easy. And when people are searching, for example, if they're searching for a 3-bedroom, and then you add another bedroom, and now they start searching for 4 bedrooms, this can add thousands and thousands of dollars onto your final sale price. And normally whatever that renovation costs, you'll most likely recapture it when you sell your home. Now, this can be the same as adding another bathroom, but with my experience, I see when I search for clients, actually another bedroom from 3 to 4 bedrooms has a bigger increase in value than, say, just adding a powder bathroom. Awesome, so there you go, guys. That's my 5 renovations to increase your resale value in your home. In my personal opinion, the number 1 priority for you guys out there is to increase the value in your kitchen. So if it's outdated, try to do some renovations if you can't do a full renovation. I'm telling you, it will tremendously help the value in your home, because when a buyer sees an outdated kitchen, all they think about is dollar signs, which is bad for you as a seller. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay tuned for the 2 videos coming later this week. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button over here, and maybe some of these videos over here might help you as well. And we'll see you guys then. Peace.